Namaste children, I warmly welcome you all to Prasanna Vidya Mandir Mamandu Class 5 Subject Social Lesson Earth's Lungs Topic Types of Forest Video part. This is the second video out of the 3 videos prepared by me, J. Sangeeta, and in teachers are Miss Mala and Miss Kadambari. The expected learning outcomes. Students, you will be able to describe the features of different types of forest. State what type of forest they are. Explain the characteristics and uses of different types of forest. Let's get into the recap session. The last video you have learned about what is forest. A forest is a large stretch of land that is usually covered with trees. It houses different animals. Forests are important not only for animals and birds living there but for humans also. They play a significant role in the biosphere. So these are the things we have learnt about the forest and the uses of forest. For what are the purpose? The forest is useful to us. The forest is useful to us in the form of food, for our comfort, and for breathing, for living work, and for health, as a medicine. For all these things, the forest is useful to us. So these are the uses of forest, which you have learnt in your last video. Here comes the most interesting part, the brain gym activity. It activates your both right and left brain. It develops the concentration. So let's start doing the brain gym activity. So close your both hands, close your palm and start doing the activity. Open your palm, right palm, and open your left palm. Do fast, make it as 20 times. Close the other palm and open the other palm. We will go for the next activity. You have to rotate your thumb. You have to rotate your point finger. You have to rotate your mid finger. You have to rotate your ring finger. And the same, you have to rotate your baby finger. This is the brain gym activity which develops you the listening and concentration. It's very useful. I hope you all enjoy doing this brain gym activity. Let's get into a new fresh topic, the types of forest. Here are 5 types of forest today you're going to watch in this video. Here comes the first one, the evergreen forest. The name, the evergreen forest, the name itself denotes evergreen forest is full of trees with full of greeny trees. So now let's find the features of evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is a lush green forest which is found in Assam. Marveling at the wonders of nature, it is green throughout the year. All the seasons and throughout the year you can find it greenish. The trees in the evergreen forest do not shed their leaves. This is a special feature for evergreen forest. The trees in the evergreen forest do not shed their leaves. It is maintained in dense foliage. So these are the features of evergreen forest. Now let's look into the trees found in evergreen forest. We all get rubber. From where we can get? From the tree we can get the rubber. The rubber trees are available in evergreen forest. You can see the cocoa From where you can get the cocoa? You can get the cocoa from the cocoa trees, which are also found in evergreen forest. Rosewood, which is very, very costly. The rosewoods are very costly. These trees are also found only in evergreen forest. Ebony trees are also found in evergreen forest. So these are the animals which are spotted in evergreen forest. The animals are tree frogs. The frogs, which will not be as usual, it will be very greenish and it matches with the tree colors. So the tree frogs, the gower, it looks like a bison. So these are the animals. And gibbon and leopard. Gibbon is like, it looks and resembles like a monkey, but it is has a different features. Gibbon and leopard also are the animals which are spotted in evergreen forest. Along with gibbon, leopard, frog and gower, you can also see the pigtail, macaw and snake, which are not as usual. They are special in evergreen forest. So these are the animals which are spotted in evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is not only found in Assam, it is also found in Andaman and Nicobar. The green parts, which denotes it is very greenish. It is fully green throughout the year. So you can see where are the evergreen forests are located. The location of the evergreen forest. It is also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Western Ghats and the coastal areas of Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. You can also find in the coastal areas of Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. So these are the areas you can find, these are the states you can find evergreen forest. Here's a riddle for you. It's quite interesting. Anagram. I ended the day with a glass of tomato juice. I call it the red sip. What is a hidden word in the word red sip? It's an anagram. So replace the word letters and you can find a new word. Yes, you're right. It's spider. Spider. Change the letter alphabets and you can find spider. Yes, Spider. Spider. Was it quite interesting? Yes. Now you can see the next type of the forest. It's a deciduous forest. It looks amazing. Deciduous forest. I hope you all want to go to the deciduous forest. Even I like to go to deciduous forest. Features of deciduous forest. It is found in Karnataka. If you go to Karnataka, you can find deciduous forest. The leaves of the trees change color from lush green to lovely orange. The trees always try to change colors from lush green to lovely orange. The leaves of the trees change colors. Trees of this forest shed their leaves during some particular seasons. So the trees of this forest shed their leaves during some seasons. The trees which are found in deciduous forest is teak. You all know about teak. Yes, and sal. It is also an important trees which are found in deciduous forest. The teak and the sal. Next, here comes a very costly sandalwood. As the rosewood is found in evergreen forest, here in deciduous forest, sandalwood is found Shesham. So these are the trees found in deciduous forest. Let's check out for the animals. Animals spotted in deciduous forest are fox, raccoon, squirrel, deer are the animals which are spotted in deciduous forest. You all can understand deciduous forest changes the color from green to lovely orange. So in this place you can find some trees and the animals. Deciduous forest is also found in Madhya Pradesh, South Bihar and West Odisha. You can also find the deciduous forest in Madhya Pradesh, South Bihar and West Odisha. So these are the places where you can find the deciduous forest. Here is a riddle. It's quite interesting. Spot me. It's fallen leaves. Spot the answer. Have you all spot the answer? You have to leave some words and you have to take the right words. In the word fallen leaves. Yes, you have to leave the alphabets FAL and you have to take D, E, E, R. Deer. Deer is the Eden bird in fallen leaves. You can also ask this riddle to your friends and you can also enjoy. Next comes the mountain forest. Wow! You all want to go to the top of the hill and you have to enjoy the beauty of nature. You all want to enjoy the beauty of the nature? Then you can choose to go to mountain forest. Mountain forest is a place where you can see the lovely mountains along with the forest, and the trees and animals look different over there. Let's find the features of the mountain forest. Mountain forest is found in Himalayas. Tall, straight, conical trees with needle-shaped leaves are found here. These forests are called coniferous forests. Conifers are trees that produce seeds inside cores. So pine is one of the thing you can find it in mountain forest. Pine tree, and coniferous is the conical tree is nothing but it looks in the shape of cone. When you see a cone, how it looks the same way the conical trees also look in the same way. The good example for a conical tree is the Christmas tree is also a good example. So the conical trees, the name we get it because of the shape of the tree. It looks like a cone. The animals found in mountain forest. It's not an usual deer, it's a musk deer which is found in mountain forest. Musk deer. See, mountain goat. The name of the goat itself has mountain. Mountain goat. Look at the appearance of the mountain goat. It's not like usual goats. It is full of fur on its body. It's because the mountain forest will be very cool and chill. Animals also found in mountain forest are grey langur and snow leopard. Okay, because the mountain forest is full of ill, snow. So the climate will be very cool and chill. So these types of animals only can be able to be there in this mountain forest. The snow leopards and the grey langur and the musketeer and the mountain goat. So these types of animals are found in the mountain forest due to their climate. These forests cover the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. So the mountain forest knows the light green color. So this light green color represents the states where the mountain forest is found. So Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram are the places where you can find the mountain forest. Here is a riddle. You can just find the word hidden behind this word. Neat girls beg. What is the hidden word? Bengal tiger. 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 Bengal tiger. The word hidden behind neat girls beg. The neat girls beg. The word hidden behind is Bengal tiger. Next, okay here. Okay here. If you replace the alphabets, then you can find the word cure. Cure. Next comes Dr. Son of Buns. Dr. Son of Buns. It's nothing but Sundarabans. It is nothing but Sundarabans. So these are the riddles you can find. You can also ask your friends. They can also think and answer for these riddles. Neat girls beg is Bengal tiger. Okay, here is cure. Dr. Sun Buns is Sundarabans. Okay. Next comes mangrove forest. Here is an interesting forest. It is quite interesting and new forest for us to learn. Mangrove forest. Here in this forest, usually the trees go underground the soil. But in this forest, the roots of the trees grow above the water level so that they need the air to breathe. They need air to breathe. So you can find the roots above the soil. So you can find the roots above the soil where it is fully covered with water. You cannot go by walking. Only you have to use the boats to reach the place where it is. This is mangrove forest. The features of mangrove forest is mangrove forest is found in West Bengal. Mangrove forest is found in West Bengal. Mangroves are called as Sundarabans. Mangroves are called as Sundarabans. Sundarabans is nothing but Sundar means it's beauty. So Sundarbans means it is very beautiful forest. Okay, the only way to each Sundarban is by boat. There are no roadways. There is no roadways. So only by using the boats you can reach the Sundarbans, which is nothing but mangrove forest. The trees have roots above the soil level. The trees in the Sundarbans have roots above the soil. Usually the roots are found below the soil, but here in Sundarbans the trees have roots above the soil for the trees to breathe easily. For the trees to breathe easily. So these are the special features of mangrove forest. The trees found in mangrove forest is Sundari tree, Kyor, Kankar. So these are the trees you can specially found in mangrove forest where all the roots are above the soil level and there is no land to reach over there roadside. Only by boat you can reach the Sundarbans are found in Bangladesh. This place is the world's first place of a mangrove forest. And where can you find the second world largest mangrove forest? The world's largest first place is found in Bangladesh. Where is the second world largest mangrove forest? It's found in Chidambaram. Yes, Pichavaram. I hope you all would have went to Pichavaram. If you are not went, you can also have a look over there. You can see the exact mangrove forest. This is the world's largest second place for mangrove forest. It is found near the Chidambaram. Pichavaram. Go and have a look over there and enjoy the trees where the roots will be above the soil and how the roots get their breath. Animals found in mangrove forest. It's Bengal tiger and deer. It's Bengal tiger and deer are the animals which are found in mangrove forest. Here, mangrove forest is located in West Bengal. Mangrove forest are located in West Bengal. Mangroves are also found in the eastern and western areas of India. It is also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here, the mangrove forest is spotted with the red dot. So the mangrove forest is located in the West Bengal and the eastern and western coastal areas of India, and also it is found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the places where you can find the mangrove forest. Next comes the different thorn forest. While seeing the image itself, you can find that it looks like a desert. Yes, thorn forest is a forest along with the desert. So the features of thorn forest. Thorn forest is found in the desert of Rajasthan. Where it is located? It is located in Rajasthan. Small trees and many shrubs are found in this forest. Some plants add thorns and spines. Some plants add no leaves. Some plants add thorns and spines. Some plants add no leaves. So these are the special features of thorn forest. Trees found in thorn forest. Kikar, barbel. Kikar and barbel, and the palm tree. We all would have seen the palm tree. This date palm is also found in thorn forest. These are called as thorns. What is meant by thorns? The sharp edges. This is known as thorns. What is known by thorns? The sharp edges. In the rose plant also you can see these thorns. So these type of things you can see in thorn forest. Animals found in thorn forest. Adagia, black bug. It looks like a deer, but it has a sharp horns. It has a sharp, big horns. So the black bug has horns, and this adagia also you can also see it in here also. Here's an activity area. What are the forests you have learned? You have learned about the evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest and the thorn forest. You have learned about the 5 forests. So you are going to match it along the features and the characteristics of the forest. The small trees and shrubs with spines. The small trees and shrubs are found only in the thorn forest. Yes, I can hear you answering. You're all very well known about the thorn forest. So the small trees and the shrubs are found only in the thorn forest. Good answer, rocking. Now next we will go for the trees shed their leaves. In some seasons where we can see the trees shed their leaves. In deciduous forest, the trees shed their leaves. Yes, it's right. I can see you all answering. Trees shed their leaves in deciduous forest. Trees have roots above the soil. I have given an example for you, Pichavaram. What forest is it? Yes, I can hear you answering. Trees have roots above the soil. It's nothing but mangrove forest. Mangrove forest is the right answer. Trees are closely packed. It is fully covered with trees. It is a very greenish area. Yes, trees are closely packed together. What is it? The name itself will denote. Yes, it's evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is the place where trees are closely packed together. Can you find one forest is missing in this match? Yes, what is it? Yes, the right answer is mountain forest. Mountain forest is a place where it will be very cool and chill. So this mountain forest is missing in this match. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and you all learned about the 5 forests. What are the 5 forests? Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest and the thorn forest. These are the 5 forests. Evergreen forest is fully closely packed with trees. Deciduous forest changes the colors to orange color. From greenish color to it changes to the orange color. And mangrove forest, good example I have given is Pichavaram place where the roots grow above the soil and it's the world's 2nd largest mangrove forest is Pichavaram. Then mountain forest where it will be very cool and the chill. Then the last but not the least is thorn forest. It is found in the desert areas like Rajasthan. So these are the 5 forests you have learnt in this video and you have understood the clear picture how the forest looks over there and the places of location, the animals and the trees which are found in these forests. Keep watching the video, enjoy a lot and learn a lot. Keep smiling. Have a great day. Thank you, children.